Hey, Mom, 2 times 2 is 4. I placed that 4 down.
Thank
That's
you.
fine.
Thank
So you can find something that equals 18, or what's 50 times 2?
50 times 2 equals 1.
Okay. You just showing all of your stuff, huh?
It's 100.
Yeah, your turn, Malachi.
I need to pluck.
Oh, go ahead and pluck.
Oh, I have a number for it.
All right. Go ahead and pluck yours. Now, Layla, what's 2 times 5, or what's something that equals 18?
2 times 5 equals 10.
What direction you want to go in? Perfect. All right, Malachi. 15 times 2, or something that equals 18?
15 times 2. Doesn't 6 times 3 equals 18? Does 3 times 4 count?
3 times 4 doesn't equal 18.
10.
3
What
times
does
4?
4 times 4? Wait, 4 times 4.
Okay, 3 times 4 equals 12.
That's 2 times 15 equals 20?
No. 2 times 5 equals what?
10.
10. So you have this 0 and you carry the 1. 2 times 1 equals what?
2.
2. And 1 more equals 30. So 15 times 2 equals 30. So do you have something that's 30 or something that equals 18?
I said.
Is it this one?
What do you have?
4 times 4.
No. 4. That's 4 times 3 equals 18.
4 times 3 does not equal 18.
4 times
4 times 5 does not equal 18. What do you have?
9 times 2.
9 times 2. 9 plus 9 is 18. 9 times 2 equals 18. Good job. All right, so you need something that equals 8 or something that's 15 times 2.
I know you just grabbed the dice.
The domino.
I mean dominoes. What?
This should be quick. We should be doing this game in under 10 minutes. There you go. So you need something that's 1 times 1 or something that equals 8. This game should be quick now. We should be moving through this game. This is just a refresher.
Isn't 3 times? Thank you.
We have 2 times 7, something that equals 8.
My dominoes are there.
Good job. We have 10 times
So I can't
2.
do it here?
You can do it there. That's fine. We have 10 times 2 or something that equals 8.
Mother. Oh.
I'm at 3 minutes. 2 times 3 or something that equals 8.
Oh, yeah, got it.
6. Okay, 4 times 4, something that equals 8.
You thought.
What?
You thought you were sick.
Wait. 4, 8, 12, 16.
Mm-hmm.
You thought you were sick, eh?
All right, 3 times 3, something that equals 8.
That's just sick.
Come on. We should be done with this game in under 10 minutes.
Ew.
Yes.
Is this kind of a 9 or a 6?
This is our review. Let me see.
I had it the whole
a 9.
time.
You have what?
What do you have?
This.
That's what I knew somebody had it. Let me see.
Bruh.
2 times 4. All right, something that equals 50. All right, 6 times 2. Something that equals 50, 6 times 2.
This. Ooh.
Here you go.
All right, 10 times 5. Something that equals 12, 6 times 2. On you.
That's 6.
6 times 2.
Wait, 6 times 2. 3, 6, 9, 12.
There you go.
Bruh.
Something that equals 9. There you go. Let's put this in a different direction. There you go.
I was like, just, bruh.
He said, bruh.
All right, something that equals 16, 6 times 2. Let's go.
It's coming down to the wire. She has
Let's
3.
go, let's go, let's go. If he can get rid of his 2, he's done. All right, your turn. You feel defeated. Come on, Molly. Can you get rid of any, or do you have to pluck? We should be moving. Something that equals 16, 6 times 2.
Bruh.
All right, come on. Something that equals 16, 6 times 2. All right, let's go. Can you play, or do you have to
Could you please
pluck?
stop smacking? You better pluck.
Bruh, come on.
Let's see.
Wow.
Mom, we're running out of our babies. What you looking at us for? It's your turn.
Man, that was sus.
It's your turn.
Are you
Do you
gonna
have a
go, or
play?
are you gonna stay here for the rest of our life?
Something that equals 16.
Oh, I got
Or
it.
6 times 2. Yep. You said the one over top is a what? A 9, right?
No, the
The
bottom
6.
is a
Yeah,
9,
the bottom is a 9.
and the
So
top
this is a
the
6.
Yes.
Perfect. Perfect.
You thought you were slick.
Layla, who put this down?
Mally.
Malachi, 5 times 2 equals 20? That's incorrect.
He.
That's
Oh
incorrect.
wait, it's this one. This one. No, wait. No way.
Okay, that's much better.
That's more like it.
What do you have? Something equals 14? Go ahead.
Wait. Oh, I have
Something equals 14 or 6 times 2. What do you have? Okay. Perfect.
What's 2 times 25?
25 times
50.
25 times 2. Yep. 25 2 times.
Wait, 25.
2 times. It's like a quarter, and then you add another quarter. 2 quarters equals what?
Do you mean like adding, but in multiplication?
In multiplication. 2 quarters equal
45?
2 quarters equal what?
No, it's not 45.
What?
50.
It's 50. So 25 times 2 is 50. Come on, it's on you, Layla.
What do you move?
He plucked. He plucked the last one. So
So
y'all
why
got
is
to
there
play
5
it out.
times 4 there?
Because 5 times 4 equals 20.
Oh, he put that in, right?
Yes. It's your play. You have a play. All right. 4 times 2 or something that equals 14.
Layla.
Oh, I got this.
1 times 14.
Equals 14. Something that equals 1, 4 times 2. Three times 6
That's what.
or something that
What doesn't
equals.
3 times 6 equals 18?
What do you have?
1 times.
1 times 1 equals 1. All right. Something that equals 30. All right. Down to the last one. Are you able to close it out? Something that equals 10. 3 times 6. Do you have to pass?
I have to pass.
Your turn, Ladybug. Can you close it out, or do you have to pass again? 1 times 4.
I have to pass again.
Boom. She got the
Because I
game.
had it. Because I have 5 times 2.
5 times 2.
5
It was
times 2
right
is
here.
10.
It was 10. You could have won the game. Don't be throwing my pieces. Shake hands. Good game.
Where'd it go?
Don't throw the pieces.
It's right under there.
You could have closed the game out. You could have closed.